received a WAF file from a missed work meeting, and the usual video players just refused to play it. This is Cisco's proprietary recording format with its own playback requirements. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you exactly how to view these WebEx recordings. I call this the last resort solution for those WAF files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A WAF file is a video recording created by Cisco WebEx, a popular online meeting and video conferencing application. It contains video and audio data from a recorded session, but unlike the standard ARF format, it is saved directly to the user's computer during the meeting, rather than on the server. The WAF format is a proprietary binary container designed for real-time, on-device recording. This structure prioritizes efficient write speeds during a live meeting, capturing the media stream directly to local storage. It requires the specific WebEx Player for playback due to its custom codecs and data structure. An essential utility for interacting with WAF is recognized as Cisco WebEx Player by Cisco Systems, Inc. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows handles common video formats well, though some files need external codecs or players. The first step is testing the ecosystem. Right-click your WAF file and click Open With. If Cisco WebEx Player is available, start with that. If not, don't hesitate to test every other option in the list. If the WAF file won't budge, stay calm. If the WAF file has resisted the previous steps, we need to examine the source. Test the following 3 key failure points to determine the origin of the block. First, playing in WebEx Player. Download the free WebEx network recording player from the Cisco WebEx website and install it on Windows or Mac OS. Open the WAF file directly in the player to view the recorded meeting with synchronized video audio and shared screen content. Next, converting to MP4. Open the WAF file in the WebEx network recording player and use File, then Convert Format to export the recording to standard MP4 video format. This produces a universally compatible video file viewable in any media player or video editor. Finally, Troubleshooting Playback. If the WAF file refuses to play, verify you have the latest WebEx recording player version installed. Older WAF files may require legacy player versions available from Cisco's Archive Downloads section. Confirm host meeting permissions allow recording access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.